The culture we have at Nuffield Brentwood is magnificent. I think you feel it when you walk through the door. A sense of pride, positivity, belonging. So the team really kind of concentrate on the full pathway for patients, because each department has a part to play, and what I like is we don't try to have a kind of top-driven culture. It's quite flat. The senior management team will spend a lot of time, including myself, in departments, getting to know the roots of challenges, how we can support to improve our staff work here, and also making sure that our patients get the best care.
The high quality of the colleagues I work with, starting from the receptionists to the nurses to the consultants, everybody seems to be very responsive, very caring about the patients that do come here. We get to know our patients well so that they can call, they know who they're dealing with, so it's no longer a stranger after a while, and the facilities here are brilliant. I don't have to refer out to any other hospital because we have a whole range of things that we can request. We have the freedom to look after our patients' best interest and what's good for them rather than what's good financially. So as a doctor, that's great, and it helps us to make the right decision and treating the patient as I would want to be treated myself.
We put patients at the heart of everything we do, and many a time patients will come in for their pre-assessment testing just before they come in for surgery. And where my office is based, a pre-assessment nurse will walk the patient down to outpatients, and some of the conversations you hear is the nurse talking to the patient and telling them about what they're about to go through when they come in for surgery. And I think that kind of time and that sort of relationship that the nurses build up with the patient makes a real difference and actually can put patients at ease. We're very fortunate as part of Nuffield to be a charity. We reinvest all of the profits back into the business. So we have got state-of-the-art theatres, 3 which are laminar flow, 1 state-of-the-art digital theatre. We have a state-of-the-art endoscopy bay unit. The endoscopy bays give us that opportunity for patients to walk in and walk out within 2 to 3 hours. We have our one-stop breast service. We work with breast consultants and also a number of reconstructive surgeons, and that's a great service. We also have a pathology laboratory on site, which from our clinicians' perspective is a real benefit because we can get diagnostics and pathology test results turned around very efficiently. We have a pathology direct service, so patients are also able to go online, and if they are wanting any relevant pathology tests, they're able to book that and we can provide those tests and they can come in and get their reports. So all in all, we've got a number of specialties that we look after across procedures and all consultants, and with the investment over the last 3 years, we're making a real difference in this community.
We work very closely with the consultants, and we have access to a variety of specialists so that we can tailor any of your medical needs. Insurance companies accept referrals from us, so if you're insured, you can use us to refer, or you can also fund your own care if that's what they choose to do.
We're very proud of our orthopaedic team. It's really important for a patient when they've had an orthopaedic procedure that they're up and about very quickly. And our physio team spend time with them on the ward, mobilising the patient to make sure that they're getting used to walking and being mobile again straight after treatment. The physio team have a gym to really ensure that they can be discharged in a very timely manner. One of the things that we're very proud of is our link to our Nuffield wellbeing gyms, which are located all across the country. And we work very closely with them because a patient who is discharged here from a hip or a knee or some other kind of orthopaedic treatment can then go to one of our gyms for the Recovery Plus service. And that's a little bit more intense physio to really get the patient mobile. And we also have a CBT service, so from a mental health perspective, we're really able to look after our patients. So from a well-being perspective, the patient is looked after hospital, fitness and mental health. The Care Quality Commission are our regulators, and they spend a great deal of time with the patients, the consultants and members of staff to really get an understanding of the care that we give here. So we had a recent inspection 18 months ago. We were rated overall good, which we were fantastically proud of. There's a real synergy between a 5-star hotel and Nuffield Health hospitals, and particularly Nuffield Health Brentwood. So that service, that customer service, that attention to detail, it really does flow through the hospital.